Sunday morning, March 24th, 2024, and we are on the south heading to Honolulu. The seas look nice and quiet, Pacific. The last couple of days, though, not so Pacific. It was rough. A lot of people were seasick. Luckily, I didn't get there. But right now, it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm on deck 16. I'm going to have a manicure done. I'm a little early. We had to change our time back 1 hour. However, on my iPhone, there is no city listed for middle of the Pacific Ocean that we could go back, so I'm using math. And if you know me, you know that could be a dangerous thing. But I'm just looking at it as fallback. So my clock says 8 o'clock. It's really 7 o'clock. Ship time. I don't know what time it really is. Time is the made-up thing anyway. I was moving the camera, the phone. However, right now I'm not.